Welcome to the installation guide for 3W liners floor mats. Before installation, remove any protective film and clear away dirt or debris from the factory carpet surface. Next, place the driver's side floor mat into position. Slide the mat into the footwell and align it with the contours of the vehicle floor. Once it is properly seated, line up the retention clip with the factory mounting point and press down firmly to secure the mat. Now repeat the same process for the front passenger side. Position the mat carefully and make sure all edges sit flush against the floor for a clean, custom fit. Install the rear floor mat by placing it behind the front seats and adjusting it into position. Ensure the mat lays flat and covers the rear floor area evenly. Finally, place the mat into the trunk. Now, a full set of floor mats for your Chevy Colorado is successfully installed. You can now enjoy your ride with 3W all-season floor mats full protection.